Hello, my name is Mike Martin, and I'm here to introduce you to the XW-P1 performance synthesizer. The XW-P1 is a performance synthesizer with Casio's exclusive hybrid processing sound source. You've got screaming virtual analog monophonic leads and basses, drawbar organs, complex layers, stereo pianos, drums, and more right under your fingertips. Everything you need as a performing musician. The XW-P1 has several powerful sound engines. The first is a 6-oscillator monophonic solo synth that provides 2 virtual analog style oscillators, 2 PCM-based oscillators, a noise oscillator, and an external oscillator. That's accessed through the mic and line inputs. All of these are combined to make up a single solo synth tone. Each oscillator has independent filters, envelopes, independent key scanning, portamento, and 2 LFOs that all access a master resonant filter. Combined with the programmable arpeggiator, it can create some incredible textures. In addition to the solo synth, the XW-P1 is armed with an arsenal of 400 gig-ready sounds, like stereo pianos, vintage electric pianos, strings, brass, guitars, basses, drums, and more. A new drawbar organ mode provides 9 steps for each drawbar, vibrato, percussion, and rotary speaker control. Rounding out the XW-P1 sound set are hex tones. A hex tone is a single sound comprised of 6 components, allowing complex layers, splits, and velocity switch sounds. In this particular example, I'm going to use the sliders to build up the 6 components that make a hex layer patch. A detuned saw, and a warm pad, 2 vocal patches, which are transposed over an octave up, a sound effect layer, and a bass. When you need everything from pulsing dance grooves to animated synth textures and arpeggios, the step sequencer in the XW-P1 is the first of its kind. With 9 tracks for drums, basses, synths, and choral parts. 4 additional controller tracks allow you to add filter changes and other animation to existing parts. 8 patterns make up a sequence, so you can build and mix performances on the fly. Sequences can even transpose live from the keyboard, providing a completely interactive experience. The XW-P1 has 4 real-time controller knobs, pitch bend and modulation wheels, along with 9 sliders to provide control over internal sounds and external devices. The performance mode turns the XW-P1 into a 4-zone controller, and utilizing standard MIDI ports and a class-compliant USB port, the keyboard can be used as a controller for other instruments, including computer software and iPad-based software applications. So in this example, we're going to take a drum loop off my iPod and run it through the engine of the solo synth. The filters are available, plus I can transpose it on the fly. Clock and sync options allows the XW-P1 sounds and step sequencer to easily integrate with other gear. For more information on the XW-P1 performance synthesizer, visit www.casiomusicgear.com. Thanks for watching.